Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically delete your recently viewed pins on Pinterest. So go to the accounts and more options section, and go to settings or go to home feed tuner straight away. Then you are just going to select turn off all, and it's going to be deleted, like all of the pins that you viewed recently. If it's not this option, you can scroll down and turn off all for the others, like so. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!